Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fikro Khabar. You're watching Islamic World today. US resumes strikes in Afghanistan after Taliban attacks. US jets conducts first air strike in 11 days following landmark Afghan peace agreement with Taliban. Hamas rejects US invitation to secret meeting. Anya. He further said US trying to spread rumors that deal of century were revealed after meeting with Palestinian groups. Turkey calls on EU to abide by human rights declaration. Erdogan call on Greece and other countries to respectfully treat refugees. Turkey neutralizes 3,000 plus regime elements in Idlib, Syria. 151 tanks, 47 Howitzers, 3 airplanes, 8 helicopters, and 3 drones destroyed. Turkey to seek political solution in Moscow meeting. Military activities in Syria continue as planned. Soldiers fulfill duties with heroism, says Turkish Defense Ministry. Nearly 136,000 migrants leave Turkey for Europe. Migrants cross into Greece via Turkey's border province Idris, says Turkey's Interior Ministry. Greek police and border unit kill one irregular immigrant. 5 other injured along Turkish-Greek frontier by bullet fire from Greek police and border units. Libyan government decries handing embassy in Syria to Haftar. Assad regime reopened Libyan embassy in Damascus after 8 years hiatus and handed it to Haftar. Coronavirus present in all Iranian provinces. President. Iran reported 92 deaths from coronavirus. UN calls for protection of civilians in Somalia. Nearly 56,000 people displaced in Gedo and Jubaland state since early February. Pakistan praises OIC role to support Kashmiris. Prime Minister Imran Khan and OIC Secretary General's Special Envoy for Jammu and Kashmir meet in Islamabad. UN asks top Indian court to intervene on citizenship law. India criticized move and calling citizenship amendment issue country's internal matter. You can find latest and lot more on fikrokhbar.com/English.